Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. So today I'm going to get Danny back a little bit. We haven't had rain in weeks. And I'm sitting here filling up these buckets. And I don't really fill them up because I'm going to splash half of it out driving over to the cabin. I'm filling them up and I got an idea. Go with me. We have this rain gauge here. And of course there's no water in it. I'm going to fill it up to about 4.5 inches here. And let's see how long it takes Danny to notice this over the next couple of days. So guys, I'm getting soaked doing this. This thing up here, when I do this, watch. It's spraying it all over me. Because it's only supposed to take in a little water at a time. It's slowly coming up, but I'm getting wet in the process. So I'm going to continue on. I'm only up to a couple of 3 inches of water so far. And I want it up to 4.5, so let me get it there and get wet.
I need to ask you something. Did you put water in my rain gauge?
Yes.
Okay, because I walked by out there and it had almost 4 inches of water in it, and I was like, I know I didn't sleep through a rainstorm. It's too dry. There ain't been no dew, so I know I hadn't checked it in like 3 or 4 weeks because it hadn't rained, and I go by and it's got almost 4 inches of rain water in it. And I'm like, how does this happen? Or why would anybody even do it?
I got you.
You might have, but I'm just like, I couldn't.
Mess with your mind, huh?
Yeah, because I was sitting there like, why would somebody put water in my rain gauge?
It's just one of them Deep South jokes.
Okay, well, as long as I know you did it.
And we didn't get all this rain and you missed it.
Yeah, if it did, the ground missed it because it's just too dry.